me. What about me would make you think that I care about your opinion of me? Yo-
Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope everyone is doing great. It's a beautiful Monday. Right now I think it's 2:30 p.m. Yeah, it's kind of raining. I don't know if you can see. It has rained. Actually, it has rained. You know me, I love rain. So actually, let me walk around. Few months ago, like 2 months ago, there was no rain. It was totally dry. Right now, you can see it's raining. It's a blessing, man. It's a blessing. When I see it's raining, it's a blessing for me. It's a blessing. I really love rain. So, guys, how you doing? I hope everyone is doing great. First and foremost, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone. Thank everyone who have been showing me support, who have been showing me love. It's a big shout out. The overwhelming support you have been giving me, I really appreciate. I don't take them for granted. Secondly, thank you so much for the returning subscribers. You know, I started this channel with a 0 subscriber. Right now we are at 20 subscribers, and that is a big milestone for me. It shows that you people are supporting me and are willing to go with me and are willing to grow with me. It's an honor for me, it's a blessing for me. Without you people, I'm nothing. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Keep supporting me, keep watching my videos, keep pushing me. I'll be posting you every single day. I'll be giving you content. And uh, before I proceed, I want to thank my big boss, my inspiration, my role model, iammarwa. Iammarwa is the person who inspired me to start a YouTube channel. Iammarwa is the person who who has who has really touched me. He has really changed so many lives. I can say I'm one of the people. Like uh, I was almost actually I was almost into depression. I was almost into depression. But you see, in this world, you never know. In anything you do, you never know who is watching you. You never know who is listening to you. You know, you might be doing something thinking that nobody is watching you. But to be sincerely open, I am Marwa really changed my life, and I'm very grateful for that. It's a blessing, it's an honor for me. I don't know, but I am Marwa. God bless you so much. God bless you, and God continue doing what you're doing. Continue doing your thing. Continue growing big. Continue going big. I'm very, very honored. I'm very honored for this time. God bless you so much. So, guys, it's been good for me. I've been good, and I really thank God. Wait a minute. Let me make my let me make my shorts. Okay, it's raining. It's raining. It's raining. As usual, I have my dogs here. They're following me. You see? There's Scooby. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, today it's right now it's 2 p.m. I'm going to meet a friend of mine, but first I have to meet someone here. Nade maga? Nyakwari cha ventiere aneno dhok moko e puodho kacha tado nang'isigi. Dhok. Yeah. Odi cha do. That is Made. Nade. Dhok moko ketho puodho kacha chande. Oh, dhok moko ketho puodho kacha seriously. Actually, there are cows spoiling the This guy has really put a lot of work in his farm, and the cows really destroying his farm. I don't know if you can see. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yes, I don't know if you can see. He's chasing those cows. Those cows are really destroying this person's farm. He has really invested a lot. Niaje? Hizo ng'ombe manzi zinaharibu. Watu wengine wako na madharau sana. Msee anaacha tu ng'ombe banze inaharibu nini? Msee anang'ang'ania bana msee anang'ang'ana bana kutengeneza shamba alafu ona tu. Na si ya kwanza, si ya pili.
Ni kila siku.
Kila siku. So, one thing I really hate is people are so much careless in Africa. I can say more so in Kenya. This person has really put a lot of effort in his farm. And then some people who are not, can I say they're not respectful? Because there's no way you can put a lot of effort in the farm and then somebody just leave his cows and come and eat your stuff. You know the pain people go through while farming. It's so bad. I feel sorry for that guy. Anyway, guys, I'm going to meet a friend of mine. Like I was saying, no, I can't see something bad happening, and I just keep quiet. I have to talk. I went to the owner to tell him there are some cows destroying his farm. Yeah, and God willingly, he was there and he has saved his crops. So, guys, yeah, today is on a Monday. To anybody watching me, I am Alphonse. I'm a new YouTube beginner. Kindly support me, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, talk to me. Where are you watching from? Let's connect. I'm here with my dog. My dog is called Scooby. I don't know if you can see it. And another one is there. Here's my dog. My dog is kind of shy. She doesn't like camera. Yeah. So, yeah. So kindly subscribe. So I'm going to my friend's place. Yeah. So the friend that yesterday I was talking about the YouTube. Let me go and see if he's around. We see if he has started or not. Anyway, so I have a question. Not a question actually. This is for people who have given up in life, people who think they're nothing. If in case you think like, okay, this is for everybody. No matter what you do in life, no matter the situation you're going through right now in life, there's always an outcome. You'll always overcome. you must overcome the struggles you go through in life. It's just for a season. If you are fired at work like me, last week I was fired for recording myself in a construction, and I can't blame the person. Maybe he had his own reasons, but what I know, that guy never liked me. That contractor never liked me from the beginning. I've worked there before. I've worked there like 4 times. So him firing me was not a surprise for me. I saw it coming. I didn't just know the day, but I saw that coming. Yeah. So don't give up in life. Let nobody kill your dream. If you have a dream, follow it. If you have a dream, push it. If you have a dream, conquer it. Yes. So it's a blessing for me. If you know anybody watching, actually my dog has seen another dog. So anytime he sees a dog, he cries. It's a male dog, and the other ones, no, it's a female dog, and the other ones are male. So they can't fight. Yeah. So we are almost at my friend's place. We are almost there. Yes, we are almost there. This is how Africa is. Green everywhere. It's just green nature. We are here with my dog here. We are going to my friend's place, to see if he's around. We chat a little bit about our business, about our partnership in YouTube. Yes. I think we are only 2 minutes away from this place. So, like I was saying, don't give up in your life. Don't give up in your dream. Keep pushing, keep going hard. Just do, no matter what, do. There are a lot of people who are waiting to support you. There are a lot of people who are waiting to support you, to push you, to give you a hand. It's just you to decide how you want to live your own life. It's just you to decide how you want to be. So keep going, keep going hard. Don't push. Don't stop. Don't stop. To anybody who wants to be a YouTuber, this is the time to start. Just start anything. Start doing anything. Just do anything that you like. Just do anything that you feel like this is your hobby, this is your passion. It will change your life. It will really bring a big impact in your life one day. You never know. So guys, we have reached at my friend's place. Now they open this thing. We're here. Hadi. Wasemaje ndugu?
Wewe umepotea bwana.
Sasa nimepotea aje?
Hata kidogo, hata tupitane. Hata nilikuwa nataka tu nitoke hapa
Nimepotea aje?
Sasa wewe jana unaniacha pale kama
wewe ni pussy sana.
Nani ni pussy?
This guy is a very useless guy. We were with him yesterday. I told him to wait for me. I'm going to shower. He disappeared.
He disappeared.
Acha ujinga wewe. Ni aje?
Mimi hata leo sema tukuboeka. Bana twende leo toka shoot bwana. Let's go shoot something.
No, I'm not going.
Are you not going?
Because I don't want. I changed my mind.
Na ule azi tunaenda tu yetu tu hapa road walk tu.
Shoot.